You can edit Microsoft Word documents in Google Drive, but sometimes the formatting looks weird. If you'd rather convert any Word doc you add to Google Drive to the native Google Docs format, you can set that up with a couple clicks. Open Settings and check the box for Convert Uploaded Files to Google Docs Editor format. Done and done! No more Word docs in your Google Drive library. Previously called Quick Access and now labeled Suggested. There's a belt of thumbnails across the top of the My Drive view showing your recently modified files. I find it a huge time saver, but let's say you use Drive at work and were updating your resume. You might not want your boss looking over your shoulder and seeing that you were recently working on your CV. You can hide this belt of thumbnails in Drive settings. Scroll to the end of the General Settings page and next to Suggestions, uncheck the box for Show Suggested Files in My Drive and hit Done. This one's hiding in plain sight. In the search box at the top of Google Drive, there's a filter button along the right edge. Click it and you'll get a panel of search options to filter your search results with. If you've used Google Drive for years and have accumulated a large library of files, then these search options are usually useful for narrowing your results. You can filter the file type, date modified, and owner. For shared documents, you can filter by someone with whom you've shared a file, and so you don't leave someone hanging. You can also filter by files that have an action item assigned to you or that have suggestions waiting for you. You've got a few options for clearing the formatting for text you paste into docs. You can highlight the text, or you can go to Format, then Clear Formatting. Or you can use these keyboard shortcuts. But actually, you can avoid the format removal process by holding down Shift when you paste text. Yep, that's Ctrl-Shift-V that pastes without any formatting. That's Command-Shift-V for Mac users. And there you have it! How many have you already tried? Or do you have any other Google Drive tips, ideas? Comment down below. If this video has helped you, say thanks by hitting the like and subscribe button.